Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4. While installing the game onto the Xbox app, you are getting the error get an app to open this ms link. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Currently, there is a glitch in the Xbox app, and that's why you are not able to install the game. And even right into this Xbox, you will not able to find the beta version of the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. So a simple way to fix out this issue is to first of all open up your web browser. In your web browser, I'll share a link of this website. Get this link from the description of this video, copy it and paste in the search box and hit the enter key. This will directly redirect you to the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 beta game. Simply, if you have added the key, right over here you will find the option to install. Click on the install button right over here and this will directly install the game into your Xbox app and in turn completely fix out the issue. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving update from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.